When you're looking for the best portable blender for smoothies and ice crushing, you need to consider the size, power, and efficiency of the blender to make sure it's up to the task. If you don't, then you might end up disappointed and out of pocket. But fear not, because today I've done most of the heavy lifting for you. Based on hours of research and testing, I've come up with a list of the best portable blenders on the market today, so that you can easily find out which one is right for you. Just be sure to click the links in the description to see the current prices for each of these portable blenders. And with that said, let's get into the top 5 products. Checking in at number 5 is the super popular Nutribullet 11-piece set, which is one of the best travel blenders that you can buy today. Let me tell you, if a compact and versatile kitchen assistant is what you need, this dandy little blender won't disappoint. I recently whipped up a morning shake with the Nutribullet, and it couldn't have been more straightforward. Simply tossing in the ingredients, giving it a quick pulse, and voila! Breakfast was ready before the coffee finished brewing. The compact nature is a huge plus, making it effortless to tuck away into tight spaces after the deed is done. The real charm of this top portable blender lies in its simplicity. Cleanup was a matter of rinsing out the cup, which is more than can be said for your average blender. And I've got to say, the inclusion of different sized cups is a thoughtful touch. Whether it's a single-serve smoothie or a small batch of salsa for Taco Tuesday, the Nutribullet adapts without a fuss. It's clear, though, that it won't replace your standard kitchen blender for heavy-duty tasks. When I yearned for a frosty frappe, it became evident that the Nutribullet prefers a lighter load. But for everyday smoothies and protein shakes, this lean machine is surprisingly capable. A steadfast companion for those with a busy lifestyle or anyone who appreciates convenience without the clutter. So, the pros are that even though it isn't the most powerful portable blender, the Nutribullet is still super speedy and efficient for blending for quick meals and shakes. Also, it has a simple, user-friendly design that's a breeze to clean, which is great for getting it back in blending action as soon as possible. Additionally, the Nutribullet comes with a variety of cups and lids that are suited for on-the-go lifestyles, meaning you can enjoy shakes and smoothies in a variety of sizes. As for the cons, it's not quite as powerful as a full-size blender, so managing expectations is key. Also, while convenient, its size limits the quantity you can blend at once, so it's probably not the best portable smoothie blender for larger families. Moving on to the 4th best travel blender, we have the super convenient Cuisinart portable blender, which I definitely rate as the best cordless blender on the market thanks to its fully rechargeable battery and easy to use design. So here's my experience. I recently got my hands on the Cuisinart portable blender, and I must say, it's a game changer for quick on-the-go refreshments. Its cordless design means I'm not restricted to the kitchen. I can blend a smoothie right in my office or even take it outdoors. The compact size is a double-edged sword. Perfectly portable, yet it's more suited for single servings. But you probably knew that already. While I love that it doesn't hog up counter space, there are times when I wish it held just a bit more, but honestly, 16 ounces is still a pretty good capacity for a portable blender. Anyway, despite its size, the performance is solid. I've been making smoothies with my Cuisinart regularly, and it's tackling frozen fruits and greens without breaking a sweat. Cleanup is a breeze as well since the blade detaches easily, although I do miss the convenience of throwing everything in the dishwasher. But considering how often I use it, it's a small trade-off. On a side note, the blender is also a bit of a conversation starter. Its sleek design really catches the eye and gets people asking where they can buy one for themselves. All in all, the Cuisinart portable blender has found a permanent spot in my daily routine, effectively blending, no pun intended, convenience with power. It's a solid choice if you're looking for one of the best cordless blenders that won't let you down when you're out and about. Now for the pros. The convenience of cordless portability makes the Cuisinart the best portable blender for protein shakes because you can just make a shake or smoothie wherever you are at any time. Also, it provides surprisingly robust performance for its size, which I honestly wasn't expecting. And finally, it's quick to charge with decent battery life, which is all you can ask for from a good cordless blender. As for the cons, its smaller capacity may require batch blending for some. And obviously, due to its rechargeable nature, it's not ideal for heavy-duty or prolonged use. Moving on to the third best on-the-go blender, we have the Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender, which I've been wanting to test for a while. After whipping up my morning berry smoothie last Tuesday, I was impressed by the sheer power that this compact blender and its 1100-watt motor delivered. It's like wielding a tiny cyclone on my countertop. Crushing frozen fruit and ice was a breeze. With one press, the Auto IQ technology did all the work, leaving me to marvel at how it turned a bunch of ingredients into a silky, smooth concoction. Midday, I fancied some homemade hummus to snack on. It's here that the Ninja Nutri Pro showed its versatility, blitzing through chickpeas and seasonings with the same vigor as frozen fruit. The blend was even and smooth, and the convenience factor is undeniable. Plus, the sizable 24-ounce single-serve cups mean I can blend and dash without having to transfer my snack into another container. No wonder the Ninja Nutri Pro has so many positive, portable blender reviews from long-term users. And I must say, cleanup was equally as breezy blending. No fiddly bits to wrestle with, just rinse the blade, toss the cup in the dishwasher, and that's it. All set for my next blending adventure. As you can tell, I really like the Ninja Nutri Pro Compact, and if it wasn't for the Nutribullet, it would definitely be the best travel smoothie blender, that's for sure. Watching the blades whir at such speed and efficiency made me wonder how Ninja managed to engineer such a small yet powerful product. Anyway, the pros. This top-rated portable blender has amazing crushing power that handles ice and frozen ingredients like a champ. Also, in terms of convenience, the one-touch operation for no-fuss blending is a big plus. And finally, the compact size is perfect for small spaces or on-the-go blending tasks. Now for the cons. Given its powerful 1100-watt motor, the Ninja blender is quite a noisemaker, so it might wake up people nearby. Also, the single-serve size can be limiting for larger batches, but honestly, this is a drawback of pretty much all the top portable blenders. Now for the runner-up. I think most of you probably knew it was only a matter of time before a Nutribullet was featured in these portable blender reviews. So yeah, if you're in the market for a powerful, no-fuss blender for daily personal use, the Nutribullet Pro Plus should be on your radar. As someone who enjoys a good smoothie, the Nutribullet Pro Plus has quickly become one of my most frequent recommendations for my fellow smoothie lovers. I recently compared the Nutribullet Pro Plus to the old model, and the difference in performance is striking. The motor, which is twice as powerful as before, makes quick work of frozen fruits and even tough greens. My smoothies have never been smoother. Also, the compact size is perfect if you have limited counter space, which naturally means that storing it is a breeze as well. Its simple, intuitive design means you can use it every day without feeling like it's a hassle. Whether it's a post-workout shake or a quick breakfast blend, your Nutribullet Pro Plus will always be ready for the task. Cleaning up used to be the part of blending I dreaded the most, but not when I have my trusty Nutribullet. I just twist off the blade, give it a quick rinse, and pop the cups into the dishwasher. It's refreshingly straightforward with no nooks and crannies for gunk to hide. While the noise level is higher than I'd like, it's a small trade-off for the efficiency it brings to my kitchen routines. Plus, the power means my blends are done in no time, so the noise doesn't linger. If you value speed and simplicity in your daily diet, this blender could be your new best friend. So, the pros are the 1200-watt motor, which crushes tough ingredients in a matter of seconds. Also, the simple cleanup, the cup is so easy to disassemble and it's dishwasher safe. Finally, as I said, the compact design fits well in small spaces and is ideal for single-serving blends. As for the cons, it's a bit on the noisy side due to the powerful motor, which is why I personally use the Nutribullet Pro 900 instead. More on that in a sec. And like even the best rated portable blender, this Nutribullet isn't ideally suited for larger batches or family-sized servings. So, what is the best portable blender that money can buy? For me, the Nutribullet Pro 900 is the best portable blender for smoothies because it has the ideal amount of power for on-the-go blending, and it's super easy to use. Just this morning, I whipped up a smoothie with my Nutribullet Pro, and let me tell you, it didn't disappoint. Its 900-watt motor tackled frozen strawberries and kale like it was nothing. The consistency? Silky and smooth, exactly how I love my morning blend. Cleaning up was a breeze too. All it took was a quick rinse of the blade under the tap, and the cups were dishwasher ready. For someone who dreads cleanup, it's a real time saver. While I adore how this blender performs, it does roar quite loudly when it powers through ice or nuts, but not as loudly as the Ninja blender. But I guess that's just a small price to pay for such blending prowess. Plus, its footprint is minimal, leaving plenty of room on my countertop for other gadgets. All things considered, this Nutribullet Pro has earned its spot on my kitchen counter, making my routine healthier and my smoothie game stronger. For me, it's definitely the best portable smoothie maker out there. So, the pros are that it blends thick ingredients quickly and easily, which is exactly what you want from a portable blender. Also, the Nutribullet Pro 900 is super easy to clean and maintain, which makes blending feel much more fun, knowing that cleanup afterward is always minimal. And yeah, it's compact enough for even the smallest of small spaces, which is why a lot of people rate it as the best travel blender on the market. As for the cons, it can be noisy during operation, but not as loud as the Nutribullet Pro 1200. But apart from that, I really can't think of any negatives. It does exactly what it says on the tin every time, and that's all you can ask for. And there you have it, the best travel blender for smoothies that money can buy. If you've got any more questions at all about buying a portable blender, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe so that I know to make more videos like this one.